Solving the area of a rectangle with unknown sides, the time where the ball reaches its highest point when it is thrown, and the maximum profit in sales are all real-life examples that involve quadratic equations. To understand them, let's start with the basic concepts of quadratic equation. First is its standard form. The standard form of quadratic equation is in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is very important in learning all the necessary things about quadratic equation. Say for example, we have this expression here and we would like to come up its standard form. So we move all the terms on the other side of the equation, and considering all the signs that will be changed, we'll have this form now. Now, aside from that, it's very essential for us to remember that for this standard form to be really a quadratic equation, a should not be equal to 0. Because if a, which is the numerical coefficient of x squared, or the leading coefficient, is 0, then that would mean that this is only a linear equation. Now, here are some examples of quadratic equation where it's incomplete. Say, for example, where b is 0 and c is 0, we can still come up with the quadratic equation. Let's say x squared equals 0. If b is not around, it's still a quadratic equation since we still have a value for a. And if c is not around, similarly, it's still a quadratic equation. Learning to identify the coefficients will be next, and we also have a lot of videos on our channel pertaining to that. So please try to review them on your own time as practice to this topic.